Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn VSQ from 31 to 50 of linear regression. So let us start. Question number 31 is given by interpret the value of B. Answer B represented the estimated change of B units in the value of Y per unit change in the value of X. For example, if B equal to 2, that means if we change the value of X equal to 1 unit, the value of Y is automatically changed by 2 units. If B equal to minus 1.2, that means if we change the value of X equal to 1, then value of Y is decreases by minus 1.2 or decreases by 1.2. Question number 32, asking in March 23. Interpret when B is greater than 0. When B greater than 0, it is represented estimated increases of B units in the value of Y of per unit increases in the value of X. Question number 33. Interpret B less than 0. Answer is B less than 0 represents the estimated decreases. See, if less than 0 is given, it means decreases of B units in the value of Y per unit increases in the value of X. Means if B is less than 0, the change in opposite direction, and if B in previous question, if B is greater than 0, then the change in same direction, both the values are increases or both the values are decreases. Question number 34. What is called the regression line obtained by least square method? The regression line obtained by the least square method is called the best fitted regression line. Question 35. How is B expressed in other way? In other way, B expressed by Byx. It is also known as slope of the regression line. Question 36. When is zero error E obtained? When in the scatter diagram all the points are on one line, then error is zero or zero error is obtained. Question 37. To whom is the regression more useful? The regression is more useful to economics, planners, businessmen, researcher, management, etc. Question 38. What do Cx and Cy indicate in the calculation of B? In the calculation of B, Cx and Cy are called constant. Question 39. How are the value of Cx and Cy in the calculation of regression coefficient? In the regression coefficient, in the calculation of regression coefficient, the value of Cx and Cy are positive, always positive. Question number 40. How are the regression? How are the sign of R and B? The sign of R and B are always equal or always same. Question number 41. From which point does the regression line y on x passes through? The regression line of y on x passes through the point x bar at y bar. 42 number. State the axiomatic assumption to study the regression between two variables. The axiomatic assumption to study the regression between two variables is that there exists cause-effect relationship between two variables. Question 43. Which statistician initiated the study of impressions? The English statistician Sir Francis Galton initiated the study of regression. Actually, here the word, it is printing mistake. Actually, regression is given. Question number 43. Out of two variables associated by cause and effect, which variable is called the independent variable and which variable is called dependent variable? Out of two variables, which is in the form of cause is said to be independent variable, and while the variable which is in the form of effect is said to be dependent variable. Question 45. State the nature, type of linear regression model when there is perfect linear correlation between two variables. If there is perfect relation, if there is perfect linear correlation between two variables, the linear regression model is of y equal to alpha plus bx. Actually, regression model is alpha plus beta x. Actually, beta x आवश्यक beta x plus u. But if there is perfect relation between two variables, then the regression model is y equal to alpha plus beta x because error or disturbance variable equal to 0. Question number 46. What is fitting of regression line? The procedure of obtaining estimated linear regression is called the fitting of linear regression. Question 47. State the method of fitting a linear regression. There are two methods of fitting a linear regression, method of scatter diagram and method of least square. Question 48. What is meant by the best fitted line of regression? Answer is out of all the possible line passes from neighborhood of all the points on scatter diagram, the line of which the sum of square of error estimation E equal to y minus y cap is minimum is called the best fitted line of regression. Question 49. Why is the element of uncertainty included in regression model? Practically, in majority of the cases, the relation between two independent variables is non-perfect. Some uncertainty is usually found in the relation and element of uncertainty is included in the regression model. And last question, by which method is the regression line obtained? The regression line is obtained by method of least square.